Okay na, pre. Tara. Ito, lalagay kita ng ano, crucifix. Alam, parang meron ditong ano eh. May nakita ako ditong cruise nung nakaraan. Isa pa? Okay na. No. Hide! Saan tayo mag-hide? Hide, pre, hide. Dito tayo sa ano? Dito tayo. Ay, nasa basement tayo, pre. Dito sa bedroom. Dali. Wala, bumukas. Sarado mo. Tara. Pabukas kanina. Ilalag na lang natin. Okay. Close na yung van.
Your guys are so close to catching him. I heard paranormal activity on my monitor from over there. I'm sure it was insane last night. Today I need you to talk to the ghost again. Thanks.
May pag-uusap na naman. Use spirit box. Tayo magagawa, trabaho to. Spirit box, pre. Look. He's mad. We're so close to catching him. Gagalit na yung ano. Taas, pre. Taas tayo. Look. Nakakailang objective na to. Check mo, pre. We got the proof he was in the holes. But we need more proof. We need to end him. Look. Candles. Saan? Lighter. Place candles. Summon circle in the basement. Tara, pre. Maglalagay na tayo ng ano doon. Doon sa baba. Doon sa ano, basement. Kumukuryente yung ano. Lalight natin. Light mo na, pre. No! Takbo, pre. Takbo. Pataas, pre. Doon ulit tayo. Mag-hide ulit tayo dito. Ako na. No. Bawal buksan yung ano, pre. Ilaw. Alis ka dyan, pre. Investigate the summon circle in the basement. Tara, mabalik ulit tayo dun, pre. May camera ba tayo dito? No, ano yun? Ito, may camera tayo dito. I should log down that and finish my job tomorrow na. Things are getting too bad. Footprint yung nakita natin na. Saan ang multo? Close. Tara. Ano naman
Congrats, today's your last day.
Last day, pre.
Since we got all the evidence we needed, we can spawn him in and kill him once and for all.
Papatayin natin, pre. Go to the basement and light a candle. again. May nakuha ka pre, candle to lighter. Tara, tara, tara. Mag-place na naman tayo. Lo! In the name of God. Lo! Save this house from evil spirit. Amen. We did it. Now let's get out of here. Tara! Tara, ayoko na din dito.
Congrats, you got the ghost. I'm proud.
Yun na yun.